Laundry piles up. The basket overflows, the machine whirs for hours, yet your clothes never seem fully clean or dry. Many people dread this routine because old appliances can slow everything down and leave you with damp, wrinkled shirts. Does any part of laundry day feel like a battle you never win? Modern washer and dryer sets flip that script. Picture a load that finishes in less time, comes out fresh, and looks better for longer. If curiosity or frustration brought you here, you're about to see how an upgrade can finally make laundry less of a chore and more of a win. Before we proceed, make sure to use our links to land the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's go! Number 5. Whirlpool WTW8127LW and WED8127LW. Amazing durability. Long-lasting laundry machines can remove a major headache for any household. Every family wants to trust their washer and dryer, especially when appliances run non-stop or handle heavy loads. This Whirlpool washer and dryer set steps up with true staying power and a tough-as-nails build that tackles real laundry needs. Anyone frustrated by agitators that snap or scratch will look at the 2-in-1 removable agitator and notice the difference. This core design feature sets the Whirlpool apart from many typical machines. Plenty of buyers find agitators rough on favorite shirts or see them break after only a few years. With this set, the agitator detaches whenever a gentle cycle or room for blankets makes sense. When attached, it moves clothes through water for a thorough wash without harsh motion. 2 modes, more options, and less wear. That gives the set a clear advantage over standard washers. Low-quality lids crack and give out quickly, but Whirlpool uses tempered glass for the lid. The slow close function avoids loud slams and keeps fingers protected. Users check loads with a glance instead of lifting the heavy lid every time. The thick glass resists scratching and holds up even in families with kids who can't wait for laundry to finish. The companion dryer does more than blow hot air. Whirlpool's trio of moisture sensors reads each load closely. Some dryers overdry and trash clothes. Others run short cycles and leave towels damp. Moisture sensors in the WED8127LW push the set ahead of average dryers. Clothes come out ready to wear, and the drum avoids the kind of misuse that shortens the lifespan of other machines. Customization gives the Whirlpool pair even more appeal. With the app, users check in on cycles during a movie or set up a new favorite routine from the couch. Buttons never require advanced tech know-how, and presets match everyday loads like sheets or baby clothes. Details such as the Wrinkle Shield Plus option and dual temperature faucet address real chores. No fluff, just easy solutions. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Number 4. Samsung Bespoke WD90F53AVY Best Combo. Up next, this washer and dryer combo stands out because it tackles all concerns with unmatched efficiency and advanced technology designed for everyday life. Its 5.3 cubic foot drum handles anything from heavy comforters to large weekly loads, making it perfect for families or households that need to cut down on laundry sessions. Where traditional machines might require extra cycles, this model gets through more in less time. Its vented drying system adds to the appeal. By moving hot air efficiently through the drum and venting out moisture, it achieves faster and more thorough drying. Unlike ventless options that rely on slower heat retention methods, this system finishes loads quicker, which saves valuable time in homes with packed schedules. Convenience reaches a new level with its built-in AI OptiWash and Dry technology. This intelligent system reads fabric types and soil levels automatically, helping users avoid mistakes in settings. For anyone unsure about the right cycle, it removes that stress entirely. The detergent management system brings another layer of simplicity. Flex Auto Dispense stores enough detergent and softener for multiple loads without any need for those constant refills. Families who manage frequent laundry cycles will appreciate how they don't have to clean up spills. This feature not only saves you the hassle, but helps avoid waste, which extends the life of your detergent supply. User-friendly design touches go even further. The bright, responsive 7-inch LCD display is simple to use, which gives you quick access to key settings. Features like the auto open door keep clothes fresh to limit odors through moisture release after the drying process is complete. These thoughtful extras separate it from competitors that often miss small but crucial details. Nice one! Number 3. GE GFW550SSNWW and GFD55ESSNWW. Best for pet owners. Anyone who shares their home with pets knows how easily hair, dirt, and strong odors take over laundry day. Mountains of fur seem to hide in every blanket and towel. Bedding ends up with lingering smells no matter how often you run a load. Regular washers can start to trap these odors, making the whole space feel less fresh. A set built for pet households brings real relief. This washer and dryer pair stands out because of the UltraFresh vent system with odor block. Every cycle feels fresher. The technology controls moisture right away instead of letting it collect inside, so the machine rarely gets that stale, musty smell so many standard washers suffer from after a few muddy pet loads. This feature becomes especially important for pet owners who wash bedding, plush toys, or towels that always come out damp. Long-term freshness counts, and this system delivers. Caked on mud and bacteria thrive in any laundry routine that revolves around active pets. Microban antimicrobial protection on key components, such as the gasket and drain, help stop bacteria before it spreads. With other brands, it takes only a few washes to notice a buildup of unpleasant residue or even a funky scent. The antimicrobial layer here keeps that problem away, so anyone in the household handles much less cleaning and never deals with extra products or extra rinse cycles. Plus, the built-in Sanitize with Oxy cycle boosts peace of mind for families who deal with messes from dogs, cats, or other animals. Typical wash cycles rarely reach the right temperature to tackle hidden germs. This model combines hot water with an oxy additive that wipes out nearly all lingering bacteria on dog beds or plush throws, yet remains gentle enough to keep fabric texture soft and inviting. Tech convenience also makes this set a favorite. Forget checking on the laundry over and over. With built-in Wi-Fi controls, a quick glance at a smartphone keeps the whole household in sync, and no one ever accidentally leaves wet laundry sitting for hours. A reversible door adds more flexibility, so laundry fits wherever a household needs it most. Many sets falter during louder, unbalanced loads, especially when pet items weigh down the drum. Thanks to dynamic balancing technology, each wash stays quiet, even with bulky bedding cycling through after a week of accidents. This means less noise and smoother laundry days. Nice one! Number 2. LG WT8600CB and DLEX8600BE. Premium pick. Luxury shoppers want more than just a washer and dryer. High-end buyers expect technology that doesn't frustrate, features that deliver real benefits, and a look worthy of an upgrade. The LG WT8600CB and DLEX8600BE earn that spotlight as the best solution for premium laundry rooms. Smart technology features take the spotlight in this set. AI sensors in the washer track fabric type and load size, selecting care routines that match what you actually put in, not just default settings. No guesswork or fuss needed before hitting start. This kind of automation rivals other smart washers, but here it feels more precise. Other brands might claim similar tools, but LG's attention to detail gives owners confidence every cycle finishes right. A standout comes from easy dispense. Fill this compartment once, then forget about detergent refills for up to 25 washes. Families who run loads daily see less interruption. Long gone are the days of juggling caps and measuring out soap every trip. LG's system truly feels built for modern life, especially compared to standard washers that never address that pain point. Turbo steam comes into play whenever wrinkles threaten outfits. Toss in a wrinkled shirt or a favorite blouse that needs a refresh. The dryer's steam feature softens and revives fabric within minutes. Ironing becomes optional for most laundry piles, which feels like a true luxury for a busy household. Even the design's practical decisions stand out. LG's angled front keeps access comfortable. No need to stretch or fumble at awkward angles when moving clothes into or out of the 5.5 cubic foot washer drum. The dryer meets those needs too. Its dual opening door opens vertically or sideways. custom fits for any room and easy access for both large linens and everyday outfits. Many brands skip this kind of versatility, leaving users stuck with the same old door hassle. Durability and looks both feature heavily in this set. The glass lid resists both scratches and chips. Its slow-close design keeps the noise down, too. The matte black finish elevates any space with a contemporary feel that lasts. Cycle selection and controls make sense at a glance. The LED display feels user-friendly and modern, a welcome shift from older models that bury critical features behind confusing menus. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it. Number 1. Samsung WF45B 6300AP and DVE45B 6300P. Best overall. Laundry can turn into an endless chore. The right set should save time, simplify routines, and perform reliably every week. Many households deal with long washing cycles or machines that never seem to get clothes all the way clean. Samsung models WF45B 6300AP and DVE45B 6300P answer these frustrations with standout features built for the way real people live. The Super Speed Wash feature on the washer delivers full loads that finish up in only 28 minutes. Busy families or anyone who would rather not spend hours waiting for clothes to clean get relief with these rapid cycles. Most washers take much longer. Industry cycles often double that time, so this difference shrinks the time spent on chores in a noticeable way. Piled up laundry shrinks quickly, and fresh clothes become available sooner. Wi-Fi support through the SmartThings app means users can start or stop either appliance from a phone, without standing around in the laundry room or wondering if clothes finished. An alert arrives when the washer or dryer finishes, so loads won't sit and sour, and you can fit laundry into your schedule, not the other way around. Capacity matters too. Samsung gives you a 4.5 cubic foot washer drum and a 7.5 cubic foot dryer. These sizes make it easy to handle big items like bedding or bulky loads. Fewer loads go through the machines every week, which frees up hours and lowers energy use over time. For anyone who wants fresher loads, the Steam Sanitize Plus feature in the dryer tackles bacteria, germs, and common allergens every cycle. Many standard dryers promise to dry clothing, but only a few can address hidden germs in this way. Households with kids or allergy sufferers benefit directly from this extra level of care. Durability and a good look both matter, and scratch-resistant tempered glass doors hold up where plastic panels fail. Frequent use leaves no obvious scuffs, and the simple design stays sharp years into ownership. Practical touches round out both machines. The reversible dryer door adapts to various laundry rooms without trouble. Interior drum lights reveal every missing sock, so nothing gets lost. With an Energy Star rating, the set helps lower monthly bills without extra hassle. You wanted the best, you got it. That would be all for today, guys. We hope this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid.